If you are trying to enable do not disturb mode from the quick settings panel in your Samsung phone, and if it asks you for how long you want to enable do not disturb, then let us see how to remove this. Previously, when I selected do not disturb, then it would automatically enable without asking me this one. So what you do is open the quick settings panel, pull it down, tap and hold on this do not disturb icon for a few seconds, select details. Now here you can see there is an option for how long. Tap on it and then select until I turn it off and then OK. Now let me see what happens this time when I want to enable do not disturb mode. So I will open the quick settings panel again, pull it down and enable do not disturb. Now this time if you see, phone does not ask me for how long I want to enable do not disturb. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tips and tricks.